In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales tax payments in Zoho Books. This process is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your business stays compliant with tax regulations. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Accountant module. If you're not already familiar with Zoho Books' layout, don't worry. Just look at the left sidebar and you'll find the Accountant module listed there. Click on it. This section houses all the essential tools you need for managing your business finances, including our focus for today, sales tax payments. Once you're in the Accountant section, look for the Tax Payments tab. Selecting this tab is your gateway to managing and recording all your tax transactions. This is where you can see all the taxes that require your attention and action. If you're using the US edition of Zoho Books, there's an additional step you might need to take. You'll see a button labeled Generate Tax Due in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll be prompted to select the relevant tax authority, as well as the dates for which you wish to generate the liability. This helps in calculating what you owe for a specific period, ensuring your record is accurate and up to date. Now, let's move on to the recording part. You'll see a display of tax returns or any liabilities you've generated. To proceed, click on the relevant row or look for the Record Payment button next to the tax authority you're dealing with. This is the step where you initiate the actual recording of your payment. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to fill in the details of your payment. These details are critical, so let's go through them one by one. First, select the account you use to make the payment. This could be a bank account or a credit card. Then enter the payment date. This should be the date you actually made the payment to the tax authority. Next, you'll see the amount paid field. The system usually autofills this with the amount due, but if you're making a partial payment, you have the flexibility to adjust it. There's also a space for a reference number. This is optional, but it's a helpful way to keep track of payments if you have multiple transactions. Lastly, there's the description field where you can add any notes or relevant information about this transaction. This too is optional, but can be beneficial for future reference. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, click on the Save button. This action will update the tax liability on your balance sheet, reflecting the payment you've just recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a sales tax payment in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure your financial records stay accurate and up to date, helping your business run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.